Hi, welcome to Music 457, Music for Older Adults. We're going to take a musical journey down memory lane. I'm your music teacher, Karen Martin, and I'm excited to lead you on this journey. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I come from a musical family, and I'm also interested in genealogy. Well, last year I discovered that my great-grandfather, who emigrated from Austria to Pennsylvania, also performed in Argentina. Maybe that's why my parents got me started on violin when I was 7. Another fun fact is that I grew up in Culver City, California, where all the movie studios are and TV studios, and my violin teacher played in the studio orchestra in The Man from U.N.C.L.E. Well, I did love music a lot, and in elementary school, we learned the auto harp in school, and I was so impressed I saved my money and bought my own auto harp. Then I graduated to clarinet, and then oboe in high school, and then in college, I taught myself the guitar. So that's what we're going to use in our class for the most part. And one of my bucket list items is to go to Salzburg, Austria, and take the Sound of Music tour, and maybe meet some of my relatives. I remember seeing the premiere of The Sound of Music, and that has influenced me. And guess what? We are going to participate in a Sound of Music sing-along in our class. So get ready for that. And a little bit more about me is that I've taught music to older adults through North Orange Continuing Education and also Rancho Santiago Community College for the past 16 years. So that's a little bit about me. And now I'd like to learn about you. So please go to our orientation module, upload a picture of yourself, and tell us a little bit about yourself. I look forward to singing with you this semester.